Hello guys, how are you? Hope you fine as well. In this tutorial we'll learn how to get impression and clicks using my tricks. So first of all you need to download a software that is called TinyTask. So open a browser and search TinyTask and open this site. I will mention this site in my description and then download. So I have already downloaded it. Here you can see this software. This is called TinyTask. So what I have to do right now, let's see. Open a new window where you don't have login your account, Fiverr account, and click search Fiverr. Then enter. Open Fiverr. Here you have to search your gig. So type your username here. Then enter. Then scroll down and click search usernames for WPD Shohak. Open a new tab. And here you can see this is my profile, Fiverr profile. Open this page and you can see I have already created one gig. So I want to rank this gig and getting more impression and clicks. So what I have to do right now, so you have to do open TinyTask and click your username. Oops, sorry. You have to click record button, then minimize it and press Ctrl plus Shift key and click your username 5 times. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5. So when you have done, you have to click again record button, then close this window and again click this play button. Okay, and here you can see the magic. This is called loop. I don't have to do anything with my mouse. This is automatically running away. So this is the tricks. You can getting more impression and clicks in this way. If you like this video, please share this video and subscribe my YouTube channel. Don't forget to comment. Thank you.